Stop wasting time. This free AI tool just did 100 hours of work in 10 minutes. Here's how. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or just trying to save time, this tool automates everything. Emails, reports, social media captions, business plans. Done in seconds. It's called Taskade, a free AI productivity tool that thinks and works like a team of virtual assistants. You type a command. It handles the rest. Need to write a 5-page business plan? Taskade creates it instantly. Section by section. Clean, detailed, and ready to use. Writing a blog article? Just give it a title. It writes the whole thing. Optimized for search engines. You don't need coding. You don't need training. And you definitely don't need 100 hours. It's fast. It's simple. And it's free. Try it yourself. Link in the description. And if you want more AI tools that save you time and make you money, subscribe now. This is just the beginning.